everyone, this is Miss Diz coming at you with a new vlog today. Before we get started, please don't forget to subscribe right now to the Miss Diz channel so you don't miss any of my updates when it comes to Walt Disney World and Disney Cruise Line news. So today we have a major announcement, or potentially major announcement, on the expansion that everyone has been anxiously awaiting, the potential expansion of Walt Disney World. And specifically when it comes to that blue skies concept art that we did see at D23 last year. And here you can see it. This is the Tropical Americas that was kind of teased to us by Josh D'Amaro last year. So this definitely looks like it's in the works, and Walt Disney World Imagineering will start to build this or something very similar, but I'd be highly surprised. So the other day, Disney did file multiple permits to actually get approval to start building and adding some things to the backlots of Animal Kingdom. The permit applications were filed with the South Florida Water Management District and is for 4 Walt Disney Imagineering trailers and one additional contractor trailer, along with 363 parking spaces. These permits outline a road that leads from the trailer area to the Dinoland U.S.A. And here we can see a screenshot of one of the images that was filed in the permit application. And this is the Animal Kingdom. And you can see the trailer space in the permit is located behind the Kali River Rapids and the Marahara Jungle Trek in an area that is backstage and not accessible for guests. And here we can see it just a little closer here, the project location, and there is a road leading around here towards Dinoland U.S.A. And it's notable as the blue sky concept presented by Josh D'Amaro did suggest that Disney had plans to make major changes in this area that Dinoland is located. So you can see in the images I just showed you that Disney is filing permits to do work or have potential work happening in this Dinoland area. So what else could they be doing other than this proposed or concept art they released last year, this blue sky concept art that put forth, as we can see in this image right here, Tropical America's land that would take over Dinoland USA at Animal Kingdom. And it would feature these new experiences we kind of were hinted at, was a kind of like an Encanto kind of theming, and a lot of Encanto stuff in this area mixed with an Indiana Jones attraction that will replace the dinosaur attraction that is currently in Dinoland now. I'm really excited that they did file these permits, and it does look like Dinoland USA will be on its way out. What do you think about this? I really do think Dinoland is outdated. It's been outdated for quite some time, and it really is kind of like an eyesore on this very beautiful park that I do enjoy. Honestly, Animal Kingdom is one of my favorite parks, or if not my favorite park besides Magic Kingdom at Walt Disney World, but I always skip Dinoland. Like I said, I do feel like it's very outdated, so I'm quite excited that it looks like it will be reimagined into this kind of more Encanto theming, very tropical, and I do find that fits Animal Kingdom so much better than Dinoland does right at the moment. I don't really know how they're gonna mix this Indiana Jones with the tropical feel. I do know like he goes through forests and tropical areas. I just don't know how it really matches with Encanto theming, but we will have to see. So what do you think about this retheming or expansion that looks like it's going to be taking place at Animal Kingdom in Walt Disney World? Please let me know in the comments down below your thoughts. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any of my news updates about Walt Disney World and Disney Cruise Line.